Morning team, welcome back. It's May 1st. I think it's bank holiday in Europe. Yes, because I went to the gym and it was closed. So maybe we're gonna see an even slower London Open than we are used to see while there is FOMC. Not gonna lie, I think it's probably better skip altogether the day. Not because, well, maybe New York Open can offer something because there are news. But anyway, let's analyze what happened yesterday. I was kind of bullish and I was wrong. Also, at some point I was looking at the curve. I thought that this was a curve up, and then again I was wrong. And if you look properly, I mean, it was not curved, but it was kind of down. Look at this. It was more like that than up. But yeah, it was, I mean, I tried to force myself. Anyway, I was bullish because this 50% up, it was enough to keep going lower. But I also thought that we were going to this huge fair value gap. That said, listen to me, Euro loves to do this. First react to the first resistance, which is, let me go on a clean chart. First react to the first resistance, which is this beautiful breaker. Beautiful, beautiful. And many times they do that. They just go down, take more liquidity, come back up to take the inducement, and then keep going lower. Listen, it's way too early to predict that. It's something like that can happen in 2 weeks. Just try to remember this behavior, and then you're gonna see if it happens. I'm telling you, it's really, really probably. Whatever, you got me. Also, look at this beautiful untested daily candle, big wick, huge support that they break the structure, and it's a raid. You know, maybe we come back down here, touch it, go here, take this liquidity, huge raid of a daily, and then die for good. You know. I will leave it here. I will leave it on the FXCM chart. So if maybe in a few weeks we're gonna check and it's gonna be there, we're gonna have fun. Anyway, we dumped yesterday 70 pips. Nice 70 pips dump. With BMS monthly confirming that what I wanted, like, I mean, bearishness on a monthly level, that I think we're going to go down, you know. But always monthly is a slow pace. Can take 1 month, 2 months. I think we ultimately going to go at least to 1.04. Maybe lower. Maybe enough lower, like this lower, you know. But yeah, let's see. There's no time to rush. Yeah, like I wouldn't be surprised of 124 or so. Anyway, let's go to the time frames we care. I wanted a raid here in order to go higher. The raid never arrived. Raid was at the top. So inside the origin, inducement, this double top, raided, dumped. Beautiful price action, honestly. No, not beautiful. This is tiring for traders. This is a bit crap. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then dump it. This is crap, but you need to expect this in FOMC weeks. You know, honestly, myself being like 5-6 years in the game, apologize. Myself being 5-6 years in the game, I should have known better, and probably yesterday should have stayed out. I took a loss. I don't care, but. Yeah, it was not so easy to gather bias. Anyway, what to do now? Honestly, I will do nothing. At least for now, at least until New York Open. It's difficult to have a bias. I think we are in support, high time frame support. It's also this daily candle. You remember we talked about this daily inside candle bullish of the block, which in the end broke previous structure high. So I expect them to go higher at some point today, but as I told you, it's bank holiday in Europe. I think banks are closed, at least in the biggest country in Europe, and I don't know if we're gonna move much in London session. Maybe New York we're gonna see something, and then if you really wanna trade just New York open and leave it for the FOMC. There are a couple of fair value gaps, nice target to be honest. Look at this. Both are nice. Let's go on the time frame. Yeah. Let's mark them out and see what they appear on low time frame. Yeah, this one is better to be honest. This one is a bit iffy, also valid because there is this low, could be like a rejection. So yeah, I don't want to touch anything that moves so slow. My trading plan say anything below 20 pips. Right now we have like 4 or 5 hours in 5 pips, so I see zero reasons why I should even engage in anything. I think we can go here around 66, 67, 60, 68, sorry, 68, 69. But I don't see any reason to engage in this price action right now. So I don't want to give any wrong guidance, and I'm gonna call the video, and I will post some charts later, maybe New York, if I see some decent price action, or else today it's one of the days to be skipped and to wait what they're gonna do in FOMC. I love to gamble on FNC, like fantasy gamble. I don't trade, you know. But if you ask me, I think we're gonna do something like this and then dump it big time. You know, something here, take this low and maybe reject. Right now, I think bears are in control, and I see not many reasons to go higher here now. But who knows? That's enough for me for today. I speak to you tomorrow and later with more charts. Ciao.